What's going on, family? Guess what, man? This is not financial advice. Do your own research, man. I just want to point out something to you, how crypto is rolling over, man. And this is one of the key indicators that I use to determine what the market is going to do. So, as you know, it's heavily correlated now. Basically, it's doing the majority of time what the market is doing. And you can kind of see all these cryptos, man, just rolling over. Cardano, Jasmine, man, Bitcoin, Litecoin, everything is just down, man. Everything's rolling over. Bitcoin broke its major support level. Ethereum is getting smacked. So we kind of got an idea what this market is going to do, man. They're going to continue to push down, and this is the major level that we got around 3,700 that I'm liking. We got gaps a little under 3,800, 3,750 area. And as you can see, man, this market could have a huge bounce, man. We are oversold at this point. We broke outside that channel, had an overshoot. As you can see, 2 legs down, and I'm looking for price to come down to fill that last gap. It might be tomorrow, it might be next week, but that gap right beneath the 3,800 level is going to get filled, and they're going to come down to 3,700 support area. So, as you know, we sometimes get bounces off these whole numbers, so be on the lookout for 3,700. But tomorrow, the Fed could cause a huge spike up to fill the gap from 2 days ago. So that's what I'm watching right now. We can look at the daily and see what they closed as. So it's a hammer, but it's a bearish bar, and it closed below that major level, and they also had a moving average right there. So I'm expecting, they did have a failed breakout of the range to the upside. So I'm expecting, if the Fed causes a bounce and they fake up to the upside, I'm expecting to fill that gap and shoot straight down to 3,700. But don't rule anything out. We still have a gap up there around 4,000 area, 4,100 area. So that's what we're looking at now. But as we know, the market is definitely coming down to 3,700, possibly to fill that gap where the June lows were. So that's what I'm expecting, man, within the next month or two. So at least the next month. So we'll see what happens with this market, man. Be careful. Trading is highly volatile. Someone also asked me why gold isn't performing, and gold is doing exactly what it's supposed to do. It doesn't do well in high inflation periods, and it's pretty much doing nothing. So gold is doing exactly what it's supposed to do, and people hide their money in gold because it's pretty much flatlining at this point. It's not going to go up, not going to go down. It's just ranging. So that's what's happening with gold. We could look at some charts, but it's kind of pointless at this point. So that's what I'm expecting this market to do, man. Watch Bitcoin react and watch the VIX spike. So it's going to be volatile tomorrow. So be careful trading, man. I'm not trading any setups if they're not throwing it over the plate, man. So like and subscribe to the channel, man, so we can all get on the same page, get this community rolling, man. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Out.